A pair of U.S. Navy Arleigh Burke-class destroyers in the eastern Mediterranean Sea were reportedly among the assets employed to shoot down Iranian missiles and drones headed toward Israel last night. There are strong signs these ships may have fired Standard Missile-3, SM-3 anti-missile interceptors in the course of those operations, which would mark the first use of those weapons against real incoming threats. Currently, the primary anti-missile interceptors used in the U.S. Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense System (BMD) system are variants of SM-3 and SM-6. The SM-6 is capable of engaging ballistic missiles, as well as novel hypersonic threats, in their terminal phases of flight, although the envelope to do so is quite limited in geographical size. That missile is also a multi-purpose weapon that can be employed against a range of other aerial targets, as well as ones on the surface of the ocean and land. The SM-6 reportedly made its combat debut relatively recently as part of operations in and around the Red Sea to protect commercial shipping, as well as friendly warships, against ballistic and cruise missiles and drones launched by Iranian-backed Houthi militants in Yemen. SM-3 series interceptors, on the other hand, are capable of engaging ballistic missiles, including intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBM, outside of the Earth's atmosphere during the mid-course portion of their flight. SM-3s are hit-to-kill weapons that release a kill vehicle in the final stages of an intercept that then physically smashes into the target. SM-3s have demonstrated their capabilities against various tiers of ballistic missiles in testing, and one was also used to destroy an out-of-control U.S. spy satellite in 2008. SM-3s are not known to have previously been employed against actual hostile threats, but have been in testing for decades. The first combat use of the SM-3 would be an absolutely massive milestone for the SM-3 program that has faced a long and very challenging, as well as at times controversial, development. Exactly what kinds of ballistic missiles Iran fired at Israel remains unclear. Pictures that have emerged showing portions of those missiles that were shot down or otherwise failed to reach their targets suggested that Emad medium-range ballistic missiles, MRBM, were among the types employed. Video footage the Iranians have now released shows what may be examples of the new Kheiber Shekan, also sometimes written Kheybar Shekan, or Dezfuls, both of which are MBRMs, being employed. Older Ghadr-110 MRBMs are also seen being fired in the footage. Iran publicly used the Kheiber Shekan for the first time in strikes on targets. The first thing that catches the eye in the Kheybar Shekan missile is the relatively larger dimensions of its warhead movable fins. Increasing the size of the fins increases the maneuverability of the warhead after entering the atmosphere and allows for more sophisticated and faster maneuvers in order to pass more effectively through layers of in-atmosphere anti-missile defenses such as the David Sling and Patriot. The warhead configuration is of triconic type. The use of this conservative configuration is to maintain the stability of the warhead during heavy maneuvers, and in the landing phase causes high maneuverability to pass through the layers of missile defense systems. Of course, the amount of drag in this configuration is a bit high. In engineering, increasing the drag force is intended by the weapon designer to achieve greater maneuverability. Unfortunately, the exact details of the missile, such as weight, length, diameter, warhead weight, etc., have not been officially provided by Iranian officials, but according to estimates, the diameter of the missile is 800 millimeters and its length is about 10.5 meters. Due to the reflection of light from the missile body and its texture, it seems to be a composite body material, which means low deadweight of engine. Therefore, the missile weighs between 4.5 and 5 tons, assuming the weight of the warhead is 500 kilograms, which is a unique number for a short-range ballistic missile with a range of 1,450 kilometers. At the time of unveiling, it was mentioned that the weight of this missile has been reduced to one-third, which is consistent with one-third of the mass of the 15-ton Ghadr-110 missile. Extreme agility and speed in hitting targets at a range of 1450 km is one of the main capabilities of this missile.